Good morning everybody and welcome to today's assembly. I thought I would do something slightly different. So I've written a poem. Now I'm not a very good poetry writer, but I thought I'd have a go, and the poem is all about school and what it's like today. And I surprised some of the teachers and asked them to be part of my poem. So I hope you enjoy it, but here's a poem about what school's like today. Step through the gates one by one, lots of new rules, but don't worry, it'll be fun.
A squirt in hands, so we're clean for the door. Stay 2 meters apart, it's the new law.
One by one, follow the tape to your desk. The space is for you and not for the rest.
It's different, but it's just for now. The teacher at the front will tell you how. A stationery tray and activities of your own. It can be quite exciting in your own special zone.
Washing your hands is the new rule. Keeping them clean is the new cool. Look at the floor, what you see. The footprints show us where it's safe to be. Because we can't walk around and roam and be free, the tape on the floor keeps us safe, you and me.
Learning time, break time and even lunch, playing and talking with a new bunch.
To keep you safe, there's no toys to share, but that's only because we have to take care.
Imagination and drawing are break time fun. There's laughing and talking and safe spaces to run.
See the new ladder with new goals and new rules. Green is great and gold is cool.
The day may be different and feel a bit strange. It's not for long though, it's just a little change.
We are trying to stay safe so we can see you all again soon, so we can all be together again and sing our tune. Dear God, during this time of lockdown, please help us to think about others and their needs. Help us to be kind and helpful. Help us to talk openly about our feelings so that together we can grow stronger and closer. Amen. I hope you enjoyed our poem, and hopefully you have a better idea of what it looks like in school for the children that are with us at the moment. So it's a bye-bye from me and have a good week.